The scale of this beast is unbelievable.
Check the structural integrity near the tail.
Noted, the rust penetration is significant here.
All right, team, let's assess the damage on the eye housings.
Got it, leader.
Looks heavily corroded.
The horn mounts are severely stressed.
We'll need to reinforce the armor here.
Check the chassis seams for corrosion.
The primary ocular housing appears compromised. Examine the structural integrity of the mandible joints.
Copy that. Proceeding with the assessment.
And verify power conduit status.
The axle is completely twisted. We need to secure the suspension immediately.
It's holding.
Don't be too sure.
The primary systems are intact, but the integrity of the collapsed panels worries me.
The rear seems stable, leader, but corrosion...
All right, team, winch 1 goes there, 2 on the rear frame. Copy, boss. Chain secured.
Lifting supports in place. We're ready.
Tori, engage the primary winches on my mark.
Affirmative. Engaging.
Slow and steady. We've got it now. The rear chains are secure.
Copy. Retracting cranes now.
Verified. Let's move out.
Hold it there. Perfect. Engage locking struts.
Roger that. Engaging.
Check the stabilizers. Verified. It's secure. All right, let's start with the chassis and those horns. Check the suspension before we move the platform.
Keep the pressure steady on the eyes. Adjusting flow, hitting the horns now. Perfect. We're breaking through the heavy moss.
Keep the brushes steady. Target the lower chassis, there's heavy buildup. Move them to the front.
Good progress. Focus on the brake lines.
Copy that. Keep it slow and steady on this section.
Copy that.
Watch for cracks around this joint. Checking now. Use a lighter grit here, it's sensitive.
Yes, ma'am.
Looks much better, leader.
We need to focus on this area of the jaw.
Right, I see the stress point.
Good. Proceed carefully.
All right, team, focus on the structural integrity around the horns first. Copy that, let's get started. Secure the front chains on the left horn.
Copy that. Securing now.
Status check, front is clear, ready to lift. Engines to quarter power, lift slowly.
Initiating lift sequence. Maintain steady guidance.
Okay, disconnect the line.
Right.
Hydraulic line is clear,
Move to the steering.
fastener is loose.
Bring it down slowly. Mind that starboard support. Copy that. Stabilizers ready. Watch the clearance. Keep it level. All right, team. This is a mess.
Where should we start?
Focus on the primary rail corrosion first. We'll need a plasma cutter. The primary hose, see the stress fractures?
And the corrosion on these fittings is too deep to repair. Over
The rear attachments are secure. Check the front straps. Verified, they're holding fast. Engaging the crane, slow and steady.
Set tension. Slow and steady. Check lines. Clear on this side. Lift. Keep it steady. Watch the clearance on the right.
All right, lowering now.
Perfect. Set it down gently.
All right, focus that sprayer right here.
We're getting through the thickest part now, leader.
Excellent. Keep that pressure high. We need to reveal the base metal. Keep grinding at that seam. The rust is thick there.
Working on it, leader.
That's much better. Good work.
Keep it slow and steady.
Bolts loose.
Move the hose to the green tray.
Installing the new one now, boss. The corrosion here is severe. It looks like structural integrity is compromised.
Agreed. I've got the specs for a new alloy blend.
Let's run a stress test before we proceed. The replacement parts match perfectly. You can begin the installation. Understood. Let's get this beast running again. Keep it steady. Lower it slowly. Almost there. Careful of the fumes. The corrosion is lifting faster now. Good. Keep monitoring the solution temperature.
Keep them submerged until they stop reacting.
They look much better already.
Good, rinse thoroughly, then dry.
All right, let's match these numbers.
Got it, leader.
And grab the impact wrench, please. Torque that to spec. Copy. 250 foot-pounds. And check the injector seal again. Confirming seal integrity.
The intake manifold looks perfect.
Checking the torque on the final bolts now.
Good. Now let's move to the transmission. Keep it precise.
Torque down points 3 and 5.
Check the alignment here.
Ready with the lubricant. Keep it steady. Watch that alignment there. Yep. Looking good. It's moving smoothly. Stop it here. Right, looks perfect.
Secure this cover first, then we'll attach the housing.
Got it, looks good.
Aligning the panels. Keep it steady. That's perfect.
Yes, leader, done.
Good, now move to the main line. Looks like it's taken it well.
Affirmative. System looks tight.
The voltage on this sensor is holding steady.
Good, now let's check the torque on that fuel line connector. Excellent job on these belts and fittings. Every detail is perfect.
Thank you, boss. She's ready to go.
Outstanding. Let's fire her up.
Keep it steady. Guide it to the chassis.
Almost there, a little left.
Lower it slowly now.
Keep it steady. To the left. That's it. Perfect. Lower it slowly. Watch the mounts. Keep grinding here to remove this corrosion, then we're ready. Roger that. Finishing up now.
Excellent, that looks secure. Keep the heat steady.
Copy that, boss. We'll finish this section now.
Good, move to the rear axle next. Careful with that hub. It looks deeply corroded.
Yeah.
We'll need a full replacement on the bearings, leader.
The torque is within spec. Good. Let's finish up. Use the hoist to bring that down.
Yep.
Place it on the corrosion table.
Copy that, boss.
Inspect the bearing housing thoroughly. Ensure the alignment is perfect before you tighten it. Copy that. Making the final adjustment now.
Make sure that hub is torqued to specification. Looking good, keep it up.
Keep it steady. Down just a little more.
Coming down slowly.
Looks aligned. Perfect. Secure it. We're ready to finalize the alignment here.
Looks good. Secure the connections, team.
Careful with those wires.
Yes, boss. Almost done.
Good. Now focus on the corrosion there. Excellent work, team. Keep it steady. We need to expose those corroded brackets. Got it.
Slow and steady.
Perfect. Now let's assess the damage.
Line up the top edge.
Hold it steady.
Welding in place. Perfect.
Looks good.
Solid. Well done.
Keep the weld clean there, Marcus.
Yes, ma'am.
Ensure the seam on the muzzle is flawless. This needs to look brand new. Almost done, we're applying the final panel. The facial armor looks good. Just need to smooth out these seams.
We're almost done with the grinding.
Excellent. Ensure the finish is flawless. Make sure those structural supports are perfectly level.
Copy that. Tightening the left side now.
Perfect. Lower the lifts.
The windshield frame needs to be perfectly aligned. Ensure the new metal meets the ram horns without a gap.
Got it. Looks solid.
Good, let's finish up. The facial armor and cabin frame are secure, but check the lower mechanical section.
Yeah.
Yes, everything looks good to go.
Exceptional work, team. The eye housings are perfect. The horns shine. We've done it.
It looks flawless. Ready to roll.
Fantastic work, leader. It's a masterpiece. Keep scraping those panels.
Yes, boss.
Watch out for that wiring. It's brittle.
The floor mounting point needs a fresh weld.
Right away.
And smooth this lip on the windshield frame. The circuit looks clean on this one.
Okay, I've got this module loose now.
Perfect, set it over there. We're making good progress. The finish looks perfect on the panels.
Thanks, boss.
And the interfaces are all ready to go.
Secure the main ground wire near the relay panel. Checking the harness integrity now. Looks good. Now attach the instrument cluster feeds.
The frame's solid now. Let's get the seat in.
Looks perfect.
All right, hold it steady.
The gauge is perfectly aligned. Excellent.
That looks factory fresh.
Steering check's complete.
Dashboard connections are stable, systems active.
Wiring looks pristine. Let's start it up.
Cabin systems green, all good to go.
It's perfect. Every detail is restored.
Looks solid, boss.
Great job, team. Keep tracking. Let's get that tail panel off next.
Right away, ma'am.
Good, spray that inhibitor.
Excellent. The welds look clean. Copy that. Structure is solid. Good work, team. Moving on to final check. The seam alignment looks perfect here.
We used a precision laser welder on that section.
And the structural integrity?
Perfect alignment, nice work. We're ready for the next section.
Affirmative. We'll get it prepped now.
Make sure the welding points are strong.
Hinge alignment is perfect.
Lock mechanism is secure, leader. Checking systems now.
Excellent. Let's test the locking mechanism.
Works perfectly, ma'am. The repair is complete, team.
Looks perfect, leader.
Ready for the road.
Ensure the headlights are completely covered.
Affirmative.
Good. Check the hydraulics.
All set, boss. Keep the speed consistent, just like we practiced. Looking good.
We're almost done with this section, boss.
Excellent. Maintain the pressure.
Perfect. That's the uniform finish we needed. Move to the base. On it. Keep it smooth along this joint.
Copy that, looking good.
Perfect. We're ready for primer.
The cab armor needs refinement here. Note the rough welds. Yes, leader.
Yes, leader.
Good. Focus on the horns next.
The primer coverage is looking good.
Yes, leader. We're almost finished with this side. The primer looks perfect. Let's start the paint prep.
Copy that.
Check the chassis one last time.
The primer looks perfect. Prepare to commence the final paint application.
Affirmative. Systems are ready.
Copy that, leader. Good. Focus on the rear horns now. We're almost done.
Perfect coverage. Make sure the transition on the muzzle is seamless.
Working on it now.
Smoothing the cheek armor.
Excellent. Ensure the finish is flawless.
Almost done here. Looking good. Just the tail left.
The texture here is perfect, but let's sharpen this edge.
Understood.
Now, apply the metallic finish to the seam.
Excellent.
All set, boss.
Keep the spray even. Watch for drips.
Checking the brake lines now.
Almost finished with this rim. It looks perfect.
Move to the rear chassis.
The finish on these horns is exquisite. Keep polishing the edges.
Yes, leader.
Ensure the cargo box fur texture is flawless.
Done, leader.
The finish is perfect, just as we planned.
Exceptional work, team.
Ready for the road.
Bring it down slowly, just a little to the left.
Confirmed, lowering slowly. Left adjusted,
Perfect, set it there.
engine seated, locking now.
All right, transmission is secure.
Cooling lines are good.
Checking the drivetrain now. Looks solid. Green light on the main harness.
Perfect. Move on to the fuel injectors.
Verified. All right, slowly lower it now. Check the alignment. Looking good, steady. Lock it down.
All right, slowly, slowly.
Looking good.
Check clearance on the left. Perfect, set it down.
Got it.
Secure the mounts.
Working on it.
Check the steering connection, make sure the braking line is secure.
Roger that.
Perfect, wrap it up.
Initiating sequence 1. Powering up.
Readings are stable.
Proceed to full diagnostics. System online. Good job, team. Increase load 10%. Check alignment on axle 5.
Got it, increasing now.
Alignment looks stable, boss.
Excellent work, team. Fluid levels are perfect and connections are solid.
Copy that. Looking good.
All right, clearing the tools. Ready for ignition.
Ignition.
Systems online. Engaging startup sequence. Sequence complete. Engine engaged.
Engaging primary ignition
Affirmative. Systems green.
and secondary. We have a rumble.
All right, here goes nothing. It's alive. It's really alive.
Perfect.
Amazing work.
Engaging electrical power.
Systems coming online.
Checking primary gauges.
All systems green. Congratulations.
The engine is running smoothly.
Belts and cooling system look good.
No overheating detected. Excellent, let's keep monitoring it.
Excellent. The horns are looking perfect now. Keep working on that front shoulder, gentlemen.
Almost done here, ma'am.
Looking good. Check the sheen on the back. All right, team, it's ready.
Amazing work, boss.
Let's roll it out. The ram machine is finally complete.
It's even better than we imagined.
Amazing work, everyone. Let's see it roll. Excellent. It's ready for the long haul. She nailed it. After all these hours, she's perfect.
Unbelievable.
That's a legend reborn.